In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to other pages in Replit step by step. This guide will walk you through the process of creating a multi-page site within Replit, a fantastic platform for coding and sharing projects. Whether you're a beginner just getting started with web development or someone who's looking to refine their skills, these instructions will be easy to follow and understand. To get started, visit the Replit homepage. Once you're there, locate your account icon, usually found at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. This will take you to your account details, where you'll find options such as your profile. Go ahead and click on Profile. Here you will see all the projects you've been working on. Next, click on the specific project you want to work with. This will open up your project environment in Replit, where all the coding magic happens. Look for the option that says Remix this app and click on it. What this does is create a copy of the project for you to edit. Think of it as a template that you can modify to suit your needs. Click Remix App to confirm your choice. Now that you have your project ready to go, navigate to the Tools and Files section. This is where you can manage your project files and organize everything efficiently. Once there, scroll all the way to the bottom of this section. At the bottom, you'll find an option to add a new file. Click on New File, and you'll want to create a separate file for each page you plan to include on your website. Let's start by creating an index.html file, which traditionally serves as the home page of your site. To give your site more depth, create additional files like about.html for an about page or contact.html for a contact page. Each of these pages will represent a part of your website and will be linked together. With your pages prepared, the next step is to create the actual content within each file. Write the HTML code that will make up the skeleton of each page. Once you have your pages filled with content, you'll need to link them together to enable navigation across your site. This is where HTML anchor tags come in handy. Use the anchor tag written as yeet to connect different pages. Place these within the HTML of your home page or any other page where you wish to include navigation. For example, if you want to link to your About page, you'd use About. Repeat this process for all the pages you wish to interlink, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully linked pages together in Replit, creating a seamless multi-page experience. Happy coding!